So once you're happy with the design, with all the uh, the color screen, everything, what I also want to do is that I want to make sure that they're not missing any screens because this one you just want to check the overall feeling. But for example, this one they also need a login screen. There might be some other screens for the settings. We do want to make sure we have all the screens ready. Okay, so I would say that the design is good, but please complete every single screen that is needed to have all the different user workflows, including login, sign up, etc. Okay. All right. So want to make sure they show us all the data. So that way when we program, we have a better reference. Okay. And Cloud Code is definitely getting pretty slow, and hopefully they can give a better results. All right. So the codecs add all the missing screens and then they're updating the index. All right, now it's finished. Let's go back here, refresh. All right, so now they get us a nice splash screen and choose your role. And there's a login and sign up. Okay, and reset password. So for the user screen, main screen, search, details, click on order, and that's gonna have you to send order. And then you can see the order process once you send it. That's your order history. Okay, and then your profile. And finally, setting, you have the payment stuff. Okay. All right. Oh, settings here. And some of the order alert, location, payment, privacy. Yeah, overall not bad. Yeah, this is much more complete. Okay. And then for the vendor, they log in, they can see their queue. Okay. And they check the order detail and change the status. They can see their menu. They can also add items. For admin, they're gonna do catalog items and manage the vendors, also analyze all the things. Yeah, overall pretty good. Okay, so they gave us almost like 20 different designs. Okay, if you have the UI designer to do the same thing, that's gonna take a whole week probably at least. Okay, to get you something to this. And also the good thing is that you as a owner of the project, you can just give direct feedback. Okay, you don't have to just wait for the designer and send you check it and you tell her or him what to change. It's just much more efficient. All right. For some reason, this is super slow. I don't know if it's because I'm hitting the limit or what. Okay, so but I'm gonna stop here. Okay, so this time I just want to show you a more professional way of using AI to get a design first. Because this is a lot faster. If you go with a Flutter code, you can do something similar, but for Flutter code, you have to click and go to different screen and see all the details and test it. It's not efficient. seeing this one first, and then we send it to the Flutter code to generate the code a lot more efficient. Okay, so but once again, as you're giving the feedback, be more aggressive, be more ambitious, just do more iterations. Don't expect this one to be done like once or twice. Okay, let's see what they have so far. They haven't finished a change yet. Okay. All right. Yeah, well, they still have a lot of files to change. Okay, so we're not gonna wait on that one. Okay, but yeah, overall, recently Codex is getting a lot more popular. It's still early to say that the quality, which one is better, but I think it's just nice to kind of try and have different options and see which one you like better. Okay, so once you know all the basic stuff on Flutter, okay, you can I would suggest you create a new folder, start this final project you want to work on, and but start from the design. Okay, take some time. You can see as you work on the iterations, it's a lot of weight. Okay, but don't rush to go to the code. Just to get a very nice design first, and then the rest part will be a lot more smooth. All right, so I'm gonna stop here, and next time I will show you the finalized design from my version, and then so that you can see what is the point that we think we should actually go to the next step. All right.